Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys today. I'm going to be creating this really pretty brick and bronze glitter makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is US only. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and I like to use concealer to prime, and I also did set it with some translucent powder. And then jumping right into the tutorial, first thing I'm doing is going into this shade right here called B5. And for today's palette, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, Volume 3. And I have to say this one is probably my favorite out of all of the ABH Norvina volumes so far. I really like it. I think that all of these shades are a little bit more wearable than the other two. And I think that the shades are very pigmented. There isn't a lot of fallout. The formula is definitely different than the other palettes. Not to say that they were bad, but I definitely like the formula better in these palettes. So then I'm going into this dark brick shade with this angled brush, and I'm just drawing this line of definition in my crease. And I'm just going in left and right motions, just starting to build up some depth. And I am going above my natural crease. If you need some guidance on where to apply this line, you can always apply it with your eye open, and then that way you can just create a new space for your lid if you have smaller lids like I do. And then I'm going into this shade right here called D1, which is slightly darker than our first transition color. So it's going to start to give us a little bit of a gradient effect. So I'm going in with this small tapered brush. It's fluffy enough to really diffuse that line, but it's small enough to the point where we still have some control over that product. And it's just going to help us blend this line before we add some more depth in the next few steps. So I'm going to be going back into that first brick shade, and then we're going to be redrawing that line of definition. And we're going to slowly be adding some more depth, some more gradient to this look. So I personally like to kind of build color in my crease slowly. I find that it's a lot easier to blend, and it's a lot easier to control the product. So like I said before, going back into my angled brush and this E2 shade. And we're just going to be redrawing that line right over top of where we first applied it. And I try to be as precise as possible with this step, because when we blend it out, we're going to really diffuse it. But if you are a little bit messy with this, it might be hard to fix that because these shades are very pigmented. So then I'm going into this small tapered brush, and I'm going into some more of that brick shade, and then also some more of that shade that we applied to diffuse our crease the first time. Just kind of mixing those shades together and sort of building more of a gradient. And as you can see, we already have some more depth and some more gradient just by doing those two steps twice. Next, I'm going into this flat brush, and I'm going into the shade E2, and we're just going to be patting this all over our lid. And it doesn't matter how perfect it turns out because we're going to be applying glitter over top, but I tried to get it as even as possible. And I feel like even if you just leave the look like this, it would have been really pretty. But I feel like we have a lot of matte brown looks on our channel right now, so I definitely wanted to switch it up for you guys. And I really wanted to use a bronzy glitter. So what I did here was I just grabbed some Too Faced Glitter Insurance glitter glue. And I definitely think that using a cream glitter glue is going to be best for this look. I was going to use a liquid glitter like the one by ABH, but I just feel like it would really mess up that shadow that we applied on the lid. And I don't know how the glitter would stick to that with the shadow underneath, so I just thought that a cream glitter glue would work best. So for the glitter, I'm applying my Shop Violet Voss Taylor glitter, and it's a really beautiful bronzy glitter. I think that this glitter would be really pretty for a New Year's look also. Then I just peeled off the tape. And for lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Barbados lashes. All of our lashes are 100% cruelty-free and faux mink. So if you want to support a cruelty-free brand, always feel free to check out the link in the description box down below. We're almost sold out of everything, so if you want to get a pair, definitely get your hands on them sooner than later. And then for my waterline, I just applied my Double Life liner by Urban Decay. And then for our lower lash line, we're just going to be applying the 2 shades that we applied in our crease. So just that first transition color and then that brick color with this flat detailed brush as close to our lower lash line as possible. And I just absolutely love how all of these colors complement brown eyes. I definitely feel like when you put brown shadows with brown eyes, it really makes them pop for some reason. But I feel like this look would look good with any colored eye. And then for mascara, I'm just applying my Mad Lash mascara by The Balm. And then for our inner corner highlight, I'm just applying this one by Pop Beauty in the shade Gilded Light. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Where do I go?